Hello developers, today I'm going to help you get Tripadvisor reviews. You can get as much reviews data as you want, and you can even use filters like language filters or minimum reviews filters, or you can even sort it as well and various other kind of filters. Now, if you've ever tried snapping Tripadvisors, you know what's look really simple is a whole different beast in production. Because if you start doing multiple requests to Tripadvisor, what you will see is that data DOM, which Tripadvisor uses, is going to block you. You're going to see timeouts and all sorts of errors. So how can we get Tripadvisor data? Let me show you in a very easy way so you can start getting data in the next 5 minutes only. Now to get all of these reviews data, what we need is we need to use the Python language, and we are going to be using an API called the Travel Data API by Omkar Cloud. So we don't have to do any writing any scrapper selector code or any proxy and all that stuff. It can easily get us in 5 minutes only. So all you have to do is to sign up on it. The links in the pinned comment of this video, and it will give you an API key. Just copy it and we're going to use it. And we're going to be hitting the /reviews endpoint like this one, and we're going to pass in the query that we're interested in. It is a link to the hotel, restaurant, or the attraction that we want reviews for. So I'm going to be using the Disneyland park, which is quite popular, to get its reviews. So all I have to do next is to simply hit this API. And I will get the data. So you can see whatever data is in the official website, this one, the same data is in here. And there is also pagination. So you can get as much data as you want. So there are 1219 pages. You can get all of that. And it's also give us filters. So the rating is filter is nice thing that you can use, or the lang filter to get specific or what kind of data that you want. Now, this is quite a good API. I've tried it a lot and I'm able to get a lot of detailed data from it. The link to it in the pinned comment of this video. So you can easily check it out and start using this API and get the reviews that you want.